Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Amazon Music on Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone, open the Amazon Alexa app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, tap on More or the three straight line at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Settings or simply tap on Music and More. This is where Alexa controls all music services. Now tap Default Service under the Music section. Choose Amazon Music. This makes sure Alexa always plays music from Amazon Music when you ask. When you are ready to play music, you can simply say that like Alexa play music, Alexa play my playlist, or Alexa play songs by my favorite artist. If you want to control music from your iPhone, open the Amazon Music app and start playing a song. Then tap the device icon and select your Alexa device to play music on it. You can also use voice command to pause or skip the song. And that's it. You are now playing Amazon Music on Alexa using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.